Okay, another video from BSheret here. We are departing Manuel Island Yacht Yard, where
Malta.
This is in Malta, where we did a little work. We stored our boat here last winter, and it was a very pleasant experience. And the city is part of the city where we are, called BSheret, is all around here. So, oh, that's Linda. Okay. And so we're just gonna go up to the entrance to the sea out there. That's the Mediterranean. And we're gonna head northwest up to Gozo, which is part of Malta. And then we turn a little bit and we head to Pantelleria in Italy, a little island, but our final destination is Tunisia. We're going to Tunisia to get out of the Eurozone to renew our tax status on our boat, and we have checked out of Malta and we are free to go. All our bills are paid, so it is dead calm out here, as you can see, and we're probably going to motor almost 242 miles all the way to Tunisia. So that's our plan. Isn't Malta pretty out there? You bet it is.